And then he'll grab that. Wait, I think this is the
Zach,
one that
you
has
ready?
the more of the scar.
A lot of fucking. A lot of red.
This is footage. This is amazing. Bro, it ain't funny. I'm nervous.
Yo, it's worth it though, because this thing a little bit of
Here's what you do. Zach, you sit down and you hug this bear.
Sit down.
You hug this bear. Can I hug this? Feel my heart, dog. Feel my heart.
It's actually true.
I'll give you some droplets.
Why are you distressed? It's not that bad.
Yo, somebody please give me a
You survived a car crash yesterday, bro.
You literally totaled your car yesterday. He's over here worried about a piercing.
Mike, you get a piercing?
Huh?
You'd get a piercing?
No.
Alright, look at that. Look at that.
No, but the thing is, I'm a pussy. I'm a pussy. He's here sitting down. He got to do it.
Pussy.
He's like, I want to get a piercing. I never said that. He
Bro,
said
no, it would look good, bro. It's so worth it, bro. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I'm not even fucking
Wait, should I do black or should I do that, like actual white gold?
That white,
The
white
would look
gold.
good.
White gold?
The white would look good, bro.
Mine is rose gold.
This is
That
black
should look good. That should look good on you, bro.
Blacks go hard on me, so.
No homo.
Or cut.
Yo, you guys still trying to get the Epstein twos after this?
Epstein tattoos? What?
Yeah. Sure, I want to
The Epstein term.
The Epstein, that shit will go hard.
To be honest.
Oh,
He gets a piercing. I mean.
I mean, I have my hair up a lot.
yeah.
What, bro? You're getting marked up. How does that hurt?
Yo, wait, I gotta breathe. Hold on. It's getting hot in here. Dude, I'm so serious. I cannot say gosh. Not even blood, like needles.
Be like, I'm his mommy right now.
Oh. Oh. Heard the crunch.
It's not that bad.
Yo, I feel like it's dangling out of my ear. Wait, did you get it on? No, I feel like it's dangling. It's perfect, dude. It's good.
It's perfect.
It's perfect. She did it perfect, bro.
That was great. They look good.
Good, it look good.
It actually looks really good.
Really good. Wow. She did it perfectly. What the fuck?
No way. I just did this, bro. No.
Let me see.
It looks good, bro.
It looks really good.
It looks really good, bro.
I appreciate you. I know my hands are a little clammy right now. I was sweating. Oh my god, dude, hold on. Lift your arm. Lift your arm. No, I'm not. Yeah, just a little bit.
No, don't fucking
Do it
do
right
it.
now.
Do it.
Zach, be a real one.
Don't-
It's on camera. It's on
It's on
camera.
camera. It's on
Don't
camera.
do it.
It's
no,
on camera.
No.
The stupid is spreading, I see. Too late.
Myself, quiero.
Kid,
Oh my god. Jesus.
Poor women.
They're both looking. They're ignoring him. Wave back.
Oh, they're gonna call cops. Oh my god.
Bro, wave back.
Harassment.
Alright, TMC, where are we at today?
We're at the fair!
Alright, they're about to ride this shit right here.
Let's hope we don't fly off, bro. We're gonna fly off and land in South Valley, bro.
I'm saying. You guys are gonna end up in Only in Day. Alright, what we doing today, Master Chef?
Yo, bruh. Today we're gonna eat waffles with ice cream with chocolate and hot chocolate, bro. Not gonna lie, it's just about to bust.
chocolate.
Melt the chocolate.
We put my oven doesn't work, so we had to resort to the air fryer.
Broke ass out in the cap. Got the marshmallows.
We got the
hot
marshmallows,
chocolate.
yeah.
Fucking fire, bro. The braised ice cream.
Oh yeah, we
Best
got the ice cream.
bro.
The waffles are ready. The fact that actually is working is insane.
Yeah. Fucking frying here. Fucking. Hey, bro. In fact, bro, there's never enough chocolate, bro. ETA. Never enough chocolate, bro. Waffles and ice cream, nigga. Made by your boy, Laid Back Ant.
like, it was funny though, because like, yeah, it's my house. Like, I think people have my way.
Christmas decorations. Yo, no way that's abandoned too. That's open? Yo, this would be the perfect spot to work on your car. Yo, I low-key could take that. It opened. Let's fix it. What's behind there?
It's nothing.
Yeah, it's really nothing. What does it say here though? Waste oil only.
Oh, I should put that on my car.
Ah, I thought it was like that one that we had.
A saw.
I'm saying.
We found a saw.
Right, and explain the situation.
But you can already see Anthony in the camera. Looks like a shadow. Smile real quick.
It's Playboy's birthday.
Wait, smile real quick.
It's Playboy's birthday. It's coming upstairs.
I'd be surprised if Chris actually went to the party later.
We sent the wrong person.
We sent the stupidest person to go get fucking Mikey, bro.
To get anything.
To get anything.
To get anything.
Oh, I hear him.
Wait, what if y'all I know? Wait.
What if that's not good?
Anthony, come here. Anthony, come here. Wait.
Happy birthday, yo!
Thank you guys. Wait, what?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
I spit a little on the cake.
Oh.
Nah, I'm playing.